I love hitting red line. Oh shit! Damn! Went fast. I love hitting red line on this thing, man. It's like oh. Hey, sheesh. There we go. He wins, he wins.
Something smells like it's burning. It's not my bike. Whew. Okay, careful.
Okay. Yours is nicer. You win. So we out here in the canyons. Yes. Wow, these canyons are pretty. It looks like the sun's going down more than it was last time. Are this the reverse parking? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo! Hey, should we go deeper down? I thought we crashed.
Where's the one with the Corolla? And Edison too.
They were. Y'all made it.
Now you gotta do with some force and stuff.
But I got. What's good, boy? Oh. Sorry, did we miss you?
I kept up.
Yeah, with him, yeah. Hey, he's a fast guy. He's a fast guy. I'm gonna play catch up. Let's go. Shout out to the boys for waiting for us. They're lit. Yup, good. Always braking before the corner. Good job, good job. No, that's dangerous, bro. Why would you do something like that? That's
That was... Yo, I know who that is. I know that purple car. Oh, shit! Don't take driving lessons from me, everybody. Oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no. Alright, guys, I'll be careful. I'm sorry. I'll be careful. I'll be careful. Hey, we got the 360 cam. That's right. Hey. That's the hard hands. That's the hard hands. So for the longest time, I was trying to convince a lot of my high school friends to just get cars. Wow! To just get fast cars that, you know, like not even get a fast car, just get a sports car, like something you can work on, call yours, you know what I mean? And then a lot of them, they don't like it. They're not into the car scene, and that's totally cool. So I couldn't get my friends into it, so I decided to just, you know, get some new friends. Seriously. Ow, a lot of rocks, a lot of rocks, a lot of rocks. So I'm getting a second bike actually. So we're getting a second bike. I'm gonna surprise you guys with what that is. And it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna be able to stunt on it and get low on it. And then when I get more comfortable on that, I can do it right here on this R6. So.
You guys are the best. How do you do it?
That side just goes left.
All right, hey, thank you.
That side just goes left.
Damn! Damn! Yeah! No, no! Oh my god, these guys. They have no chill. Hi. You guys. The poor lady at the gas station is probably fucking pissed. So I know, so loud.
Wait for that.
I'm just annoying you.
Told me where we're going.
Isn't that hot?
It is hot.
Damn. Damn, bro, it's hot. It goes real steep, that's why, so careful. Yeah, that was smart. Good, he's not gonna hurt his lip. Careful with your lip.
Okay.
Love you.
So I just tell Eddie something. Take care. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, let's go.
Look at all that sand. Where's that from? Oh, people down there. Ow! So many rocks! Dude, ow, 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 ow. There's too many rocks on this hill to be going fast. Wow, I'm getting pebbled. Ow, 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 ow. I'm hiding behind. I don't want my bike's paint to get damaged either. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Get into a line, get into a line, get into a line.